Tired of having a messy living room that you feel embarrassed about when guests are around? Well, here's a quick guide to help you out. Here's how you can have simple but highly effective cleaning routine for this part of your home. The first trick is to always have some nifty house cleaning supplies on hand. We're talking about microfiber cloths and vacuums with HEPA filters to trap fine particles. You'll also want an extendable duster to reach the ceiling and other tricky corners in your living room. And don't forget to have an all-purpose cleaner, a glass cleaner, and a mop as well. With these stocked up at home, cleaning up will be a much faster chore. Now, time to declutter. Grab a basket for things that need to go elsewhere. Start by picking up any items that don't belong in the living room. Once you've cleared the clutter, it's time to start dusting. Don't forget to dust those hard-to-reach places. You'll be amazed at the dust that can hide on ceiling fans, light fixtures, and shelves. Once you're done, let's move on to the furniture. For fabric sofas, use the vacuum to remove crumbs, pet dander, and other dirt. If you have leather furniture, a damp cloth will do the trick. Just remember to follow up with a leather conditioner to keep it looking fresh. For any mold and mildew, deal with them using your all-purpose cleaner. And finally, the finishing touches. Rearrange your furniture for a fresh look if you want. You could also add a few more throw pillows, a cozy blanket, or even an indoor plant to make the living room more welcoming. And there we go. With these simple routines, your living room can stay tidy and fuss-free as it can be. Just stay consistent and you won't have any major messes to deal with. And remember, if you want an expert house cleaner to help you out, Kung Fu Helper is here for you. Schedule a consultation today, and let's talk about your home's cleaning needs. Let's make your space a place you can truly call home.